Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best ceramic stones is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who appreciates a sharp knife. Ceramic stones are favored for their ability to quickly and effectively hone blades to a razor-sharp edge. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ceramic sharpening stones, exploring their benefits, how to choose the right one, and how to use them to keep your knives in top condition. Number 5. Pebble 1000-6000 Whetstone Knife Sharpener Kit. Not all sharpening stones are created equal. This whetstone is made with premium quality materials for superior cutting performance. The unique composition provides exceptional results. This kit includes a double-sided whetstone, a bamboo base, an angle guide, and an instruction manual. It has everything you need to sharpen your knives effectively, regardless of your skill level. Safety is a top priority. The kit includes a non-slip bamboo base to keep the stone secure. The angle guide helps you maintain the correct angle and apply consistent pressure while sharpening. This whetstone kit is user-friendly and easy to assemble. It uses water for sharpening, eliminating the need for expensive oils. Cleanup is simple with just water. This durable sharpener can sharpen any blade. Whether it's a kitchen knife, hunting knife, or scissors, it can handle it. It's a great tool for home chefs or as a gift. What we like. This kit uses premium materials for superior cutting performance. It comes with everything you need, from the stone to the angle guide, making it easy to get started. If you are a home cook or a professional chef looking for a reliable and easy-to-use sharpening solution, you should consider this. What people say. The stones are flat and the grit is consistent. They work great and leave a very nice edge. The stones cut fast and leave a great finish. Number 4. DMD Mini Pocket Knife Sharpener. This sharpener is perfect for outdoor adventures. It ensures your knives and tools stay sharp and ready for action. Its double-sided design allows for quick edge restoration and fine polishing. This versatile sharpener isn't just for the outdoors. It's perfect for sharpening garden tools, kitchen knives, and DIY tools. Keep it handy in your toolbox for quick touch-ups around the house. Whether you're filleting fish or prepping tools, this sharpener is a reliable companion. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits into tackle boxes or boat compartments, so you're never without a sharp edge. Perfect for professionals, this sharpener offers quick blade maintenance in any setting. Its small size makes it easy to slip into a pocket or work belt, ensuring you're always ready for the next task. Add this sharpener to your emergency preparedness or survival gear. In critical situations, having sharp tools is essential, and it guarantees that you can keep tools sharp and functional when it matters most. What we like. This sharpener is designed with a double-sided feature for quick edge restoration and fine polishing. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around. If you are an outdoor enthusiast or someone who needs a sharpener for various tools on the go, it's perfect for you. What people say. The ceramic honing side was really what set this apart though. It definitely might break if you drop it, so be careful, but the honing side makes the edge you just sharpened much smoother. The fine ceramic for putting a nice sharp edge on your knife. Very handy on your desktop or when hiking or camping. The diamond coating though small will quickly put a reasonable edge on a knife. Also good if you put a nick in your knife when in the field. Number 3. Pebble Knife Sharpening Stones Kit. This kit is designed to give you razor-sharp edges. It includes 3 different grit stones to handle any dullness. These whetstones are made with top-grade materials, and they are extra large. This means they will last a long time and are easy to use. The kit comes with everything you need to sharpen your knives. It includes 400, 1000, and 6000 grit stones for different levels of sharpening. The included flattening stone keeps your sharpening stones in perfect condition. This ensures you always get the sharpest edge possible. This set can sharpen any blade you have. Whether it's a kitchen knife or a hunting knife, it will get the job done. This is a practical gift for anyone who uses knives. It's perfect for home cooks, professionals, and DIY enthusiasts alike. What we like. This set features extra-large whetstones for extended use. It includes a flattening stone to keep your stones in top condition. If you are looking for a comprehensive and long-lasting sharpening solution for your kitchen or workshop, you should consider this. What people say. The stones are oversized, which is helpful, and the set has the 3 stones that anyone would want for a basic set, plus a stone to level any grooves made in the sharpening stones. Coarse for a damaged blade, medium for general sharpening, and a fine stone for finishing. This product was shown to be reasonably comparable, though not as good as the most expensive stone on the market, as expected, but it wasn't far behind in quality. For a beginner like me, or a thrifty person, this proves how good of a value this stone is and that it is a good stone for someone who wants a functionally sharp knife for the kitchen. I was able to sharpen my knives, one of which had the tip dull to the point of a table knife, to razor sharpness, and I was able to slice a piece of paper with just the weight of the knife quite easily when I was done. You get 3 different stones of increasing fineness, 400, 1000, 6000 grit, a much smaller stone that is used to level out the surface of the wet stones after they've been used multiple times, a bamboo stone holder, and some rubber bottom pieces for the 3 sharpening stones, which I use when in the bamboo holder as well as when keeping the stones out to dry after use. They work well if used properly. Set comes with instructions. My pocket knife is now the sharpest it has ever been. Number 2. Shapton Glass Stone HR Hard Bond Grit 16000. This is an international product, so it may have different terms. It is sold from abroad and may differ from local products. This includes fit, age ratings, and the language of the product. The stone has a very high density of particles. This feature contributes to its effectiveness and durability. It ensures a consistent and efficient sharpening experience. The stone also has a high degree of uniformity in the distribution of the particles. This means the abrasive particles are evenly spread throughout the stone. This provides a consistent sharpening surface. The stone's combination of uniform particle size and density is key. This ensures a consistent and predictable sharpening action. This allows for precise control and excellent results. The stone features a hard bond and a grit of 16,000. This combination makes it ideal for achieving a razor-sharp edge. It is perfect for fine polishing and finishing. What we like. This product features a very high density of particles in each stone. It has a high degree of uniformity in the distribution of the particles. If you are looking for a stone that provides a very polished edge, it is the right choice for you. What people say. This stone is easy to flatten, achieves a very fine edge on chisels and plain irons, and I expect it to last for many years. Size. It's nice and wide, which makes sharpening a 2-wide plain iron really easy. It's wider than my other stones and that extra width feels luxurious. Speed. I simply can't believe how fast this thing cuts the steel on my planes and chisels. It's noticeably faster than any of my other stones. Number 1. Spyderco 400 Ceramic Sharpening Files. Introducing the Spyderco 400 Ceramic Sharpening Files. This set is designed for precision, making it perfect for detailed work. It ensures your tools are always in top condition. This set includes round, square, triangular, and slip files. These varied shapes offer versatility, allowing it to sharpen a wide range of tools. It's designed to meet all your sharpening needs. Each file is made from fine grit ceramic. This material is ideal for deburring hardened tools and even carbide. This ensures a precise and effective sharpening experience. Perfect for small, detailed tools. It's great for woodcarving tools, dental devices, and even gunsmithing. It's the perfect choice for intricate work. Each file is 5 inches long, making it compact and portable. The included suede pouch makes it easy to store and transport. Take it with you wherever you go. The ceramic files are autoclave safe and easy to clean. Use a plastic scouring pad and powdered abrasive cleanser. This ensures it will last for a long time. What we like. This set includes files in various shapes, offering versatility for sharpening different tools. Each file is made from fine grit ceramic. If you are working with small, detailed tools and need precision sharpening, it is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great set of stones for working metals. The different shapes fit most needs you'll have. They clean up fairly easily. These are very nice to sharpen serrated edges, or just spot sharpen. And not all ceramic sticks are the same quality, and these are super high quality and work quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.